Hey friends! Today is Tuesday, March 24th. I'm going to go over what we're going to do today. The first thing I want you to do today is listen to the Happy song by Pharrell. And then I want you to start thinking about number 2 over here on your screen, the Happy song anthem. I want you to begin thinking about what song makes you happy, what dance makes you happy, and then by the end of the week this week you're going to upload a video of you dancing to or being silly or singing or something with the song that you choose that makes you happy. And yes, I will provide one with you. The other 2 things that I want you to work on today are very simple. Just do day 2 of your reading log. Remember that it can be the same book that you read yesterday. It can be a different book. It's whatever you choose. And then I also want you to do day 2 of your writing log. And remember, there's no prompt for these right now. It's just I want you to write whatever on your mind and just remember that these are going to be confidential. And then for my freshman kiddos, you guys have Google Hangouts today. I'll be available at 10 o'clock and I'll be available at 1:30 for Google Hangouts. If you have any questions you have, if you're confused, whatever the case may be, I'll be there for about 30 minutes to an hour or so. Just say hey when you pop on so I hear you in case I'm not sitting right in front of my computer. And I will provide you the link in Google Classroom. And all you gotta do is click on it and then click join now, I think. Please, you guys, I know some of you are experiencing issues with Google Classroom. Be patient with it. You got to remember that basically the entire world is within this pandemic and everybody is on the internet all the time. So it's going to cause slower processing modes than normal. So be patient with it. If it's not uploading or it's not downloading, then try and refresh it once or twice. If it still doesn't work, then come back to it in a little while and try it then. I am aware of it. I'm not counting hard deadlines. I'm just giving you, hey, I want you to try your best to get this done by whatever the deadline is and get it in. That way you don't have to worry about it. But I do understand if things are late. It is not a huge big deal, so please do not panic over deadlines. It's not a big deal, okay? But I also want you communicating with me. If something is gonna be way past the deadline, please tell me so that I know. I've had a lot of people saying, Ms. Dunbar, here's my sign-on. Can you figure this out? Ms. Dunbar, can you do this? Ms. Dunbar, what about the Google Classroom? What about this? What about that? I get it, guys. I understand our IT people are working on it, and we'll get a solution out to you as soon as we can get one out to you, okay? But please keep communicating with me and talking to me. My freshmen, don't forget about Google Hangouts today at 10 o'clock or 1:30, one or the other. Jump on there, say, hey, let's talk for a few minutes and we'll go from there. Okay, today I'm going to be sending you a list of tips to help get yourself organized. I'm also I hope to have my example of the Happy Song Anthem up to you today and send out to you today. And then that's it. So you kind of have a relaxed day for my class. Guys, remember, take some time to relax, take some time to set some goals, and take some time to be happy. I know it's a weird time in your life, but you will pull through it. Okay, and I'm going to leave you with happy.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. When love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. When love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. When love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Okay, bye guys. I hope you have a good day. Let me know if you have questions.